now for our loop function. Here's where our code will run. Once the setup function is done, here's where in the loop function our code will run repeatedly until the board is either reset or powered off. So let's delete this comment here. And all right, so now let's what we want to constantly read, over and over again or repeatedly read is the sensor values. What's coming into those photo resistors, and let's start with let's just start with the red sensor value. Okay, and the way we'll determine that the red sensor value that will be equal to, and this is the way we read sensor values on the analog ports. In this case we're using A0, A1, and A2. We use analog read. R is capitalized, and we have to declare what we're reading. And in this case, we're reading the red sensor pin. Okay, the semicolon. All right, so for the red sensor value, it makes sense that we're going to be reading the red sensor pin, and we're using the this command analog read because it's red sensor pin. That is hooked to A, 0 here. Okay, so A, 0, whatever's plugged into this, there's going to be some input going into this, and then it's going to give us some analog value that will go that will be our red sensor value. All right, and then let's do let's actually let's put a delay because of how fast this loop takes place. We'll put a delay in, let's put in 5. It's not much of a delay, but it'll be enough to where it'll function correctly. This delay is for that whole analog to digital conversion. It'll seem kind of glitchy if we don't have a slight delay in there. So value equal to analog read, comma, let's see, green sensor pin, put a delay, then what do we got, blue sensor value equal to read blue. All right, and then a delay. There, actually, let's see, delay. Actually, I won't need there's no other color. I won't need a delay here. Let's see, yes, I will, sorry. Let me check. No, I'm sorry. I would not need a delay in this part. Okay, so red sensor value, a little delay before it starts reading the green sensor value, a little delay before it starts reading the blue sensor value, and that should be enough for that takes care of all our light sensors.